Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this right here, in my opinion, is the bottle so nice they named it twice. The Bottle Insulated Water Bottle. It comes in a beautiful selection of colors, but I personally am so happy with the really pretty light purple color that I received. The handle on top of the bottle is the perfect size, and I love how it has this texturized grip on it. It is super easy to carry. My hand does not get tired while carrying it. I can take it with me just about anywhere. The opening of the bottle is really wide, which is amazing for filling it completely with ice. This, combined with the fact that this bottle is insulated, means that my beverage stays perfectly chilled all day. It features two drinking methods, one being the straw method, which I find to be much more discreet and easier to use while I'm multitasking. I also really like the bigger mouthpiece for those times when I'm just really thirsty and I want to really chug whatever beverage I have in there. A really neat feature that it has is the little hidden compartment in the bottom of the water bottle. I tend to get migraine headaches that can sometimes strike suddenly, so I'm really appreciative of the fact that I can take along some meds with me, or I can just put a snack in there to help fuel me throughout my day. This gorgeous water bottle has totally been my best friend lately. Honestly, we've been really inseparable. It's keeping me hydrated all day long and wherever I go, but that's just my point of view.